Hey guys, Mel Lara here. So if you're on a New Year's resolution and you want to lose weight, well, I'm going to show you how to make your own weight loss tracker. Stick with me and I'll show you how. Plus, I'm going to give it to you for free. So wait till the end and I'll show you how. We're going to start off with some text, and let's go into text on the left hand side and we'll put it in here. We'll call it our weekly weight. So we're going to do a weekly one to start off with. Change the font to something more exciting. Okay, so we're going to go into elements, and I've already written up heart. Now you'll see that there are no little crowns next to these, so I can choose any of these for my tracker. So I'm going to use this one here, and I want to make 5 across here. So we're going to do 5, 5, 5, 5, and 1 at the bottom. Okay, so that'll do. 5. And all I need to do is just select them using Shift, copy, paste, and then move them to the side. And I just want one more. And that will do, and we'll get rid of that one. And all you do is select all of these, like so, right click, copy, right click, and then paste, move it down, just so there's enough room for text below them. Paste again. Do the same, paste again, do the same. One more set, bring them down, and room for one more. Bring them all down, but we will delete these ones here and just leave this one here. All right, we need to go to text box. We're going to add a subheading, and we're going to pop it up here, and we're going to go week 1. And I'm going to make it a bit more fancy and make it slightly bigger so I can read it. And as we go through the weeks, weekly weight loss tracker, in the middle I will write a pound, 2 pounds, or a kilo, or how much you've lost and the measurement that you actually use in your country. Copy, paste, paste. We do that 5 times. Paste and paste. And just like we did with the hearts, we're now going to sort of align them, make sure that they're aligned about there. Then we're going to select them by clicking on them, holding down the Shift key. We're going to Command C on a Mac, and then click out, and then Command V or Control, I think, if you're on a PC. Great. Keep doing them under each. Great. Keep going. Might need a little bit more room underneath these ones. So move down just a tad. Just up a bit. Now I'll grab the hearts from here, and I'll bring them down just a bit. Okay, so that should work out nicely. So I find that it's just too far down because I might want a border. So what I'll do is I will select all of these and move them up slightly. Okay, cool. Now I'll grab the week again, paste it, and put it next to this one. And easy, all I need to do is just change the 1 to a 2, and so on for 25 weeks. So this is half a year's worth. I'll do this in quick time. We've got 25, do we? Yes, we do. And so now we're going to change this to 26. And just one more thing, just to make it cemented in, is we're going to find a border. So we're going to elements. I'm now going to go back to the original, to where I was. And then I'm going to go to shapes. I'll go for the rounded edge shape. I'm going to go right up to the corner and bring it right down here, and then I'm going to bring in a border, so make it about there, and then in the middle I'm going to make it transparent. But rather than make it black, let's make it pink again, or you can change that to a slightly darker colour, make it a little bit more delicate, and that's quite a nice little tracker there. So what you can do is you can print this out as a PDF by going to Share, Download, PNG as or JPEG or Standard Print. You could also download this as a JPEG for your GoodNotes or Notability, where you can easily be written over in your iPad. So that is one tracker. Now I'm going to do another tracker, which is going to be how many pounds I've lost all up for, it could be 100 days. We can change that to maybe this one. Now I could do this myself and put in a circle and do, which is, you know, reasonably easy to do. You can make it white, give it an outline a little bit less than that, and that's fine. And then in the middle you might want to put 1, and then you just select that, copy and paste, select that, 2, and so on and so on. So we want 10 across here, just like I did with the hearts before. If they don't fit, I will make them fit. Alright, so I've got 10, but what I'll do is bring them all over into the middle, and I'm going to make them slightly smaller. Okay, copy, paste. We're going to do 10 of these.
Let's align these up.
Alright, so I'm now going to select all of them again. Right, click, copy, and click out, and then paste, right click, paste. Bring them down, so now I've got 100 circles. And from here, I'm just going to go 1 to 100, so I'm going to do this in quick time. So I could do it this way, or I could do it the easier way. So I'm going to go to a new page. I'm going to go to design. I'm going to go from 100-pound tracker, and what I've come across was this one here, which works just fine, thank you very much. So we're going to go copy, and instead of doing it one by one, I'm going to get rid of these and paste them in. So now they're perfectly aligned, and they're all from 1 to 100. And I won't put a border because I just feel like it's better without one. Pounds lost. So this is how you work it out. How many pounds you've lost all up. Now let's say you only want to lose 50 pounds, 40 pounds, 30 pounds, all along here. So you colour them in. So if you've lost 5 pounds within the last 2 weeks, you just colour those ones in. I mean, if you don't need it to lose 100 pounds, and maybe you just want to get rid of all of those and put 70 or wherever you're up to. So for me, to be honest, I would like to lose around about 60 pounds. So I might get rid of that, and then that's my aim, is to lose 60 pounds, and then I will have a big fat celebration. So let's put the word celebration. Whatever that may be, it could be a trip, it could be going to the movies, and then I might put an arrow just for fun. So if I've lost the 60, woohoo, it's celebration time. Alright, so there's this one here. Up here I've got these ones, this one. I am going to make these for you. These are the ones that I've actually created beforehand. Weight loss tracker per week, and the blank, and you can use them as you like, as my last little giveaway to you. So I'm going to give you all of these sheets for free for watching my video, and I want to say thank you very much for watching, and have a blessed day.